Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me iPhone 15 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to restore factory settings on this iPhone 15 Plus device using iTunes without recovery or DFU mode. To do it, you just need to have the iTunes application installed on your Windows device, install it and open. Then just connect your iPhone to your Windows with the iTunes opened. Here you will see the iPhone logo. Click on it and just click Restore iPhone. Click OK, but it asking for disabling Find My. To disable the Find My, cancel. Okay. You need to open your account in settings, scroll down, click Find My and disable it. Confirm with your password and click Turn Off. And now click Restore iPhone on your iTunes. Click Don't Backup or Backup if you want. Click Restore. Wait a while and script will running. As you can see now, I have extracted software, but you here will have downloading the software if you're doing it for the first time, because I have downloaded the software. As you can see, I don't know why I have no it in history, but the software for this iPhone is downloaded. So iTunes, firstly, downloading the latest version of the iOS, even if you have the latest iOS version on your device. So it's just downloading the latest version of the iOS, then extract the latest version of iOS inside of your iPhone and starting the flashing process. Okay, so as you can see, preparing iPhone, so iPhone will automatically reboot and we just need to wait. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.